is my official first day in the US as a vegan. This video is going to be documenting my first 7 days transitioning to a vegan lifestyle. I wasn't eating any meat or dairy products for 6 days, but this is my first day actually eating the correct things, gathering all my nutrients, the vitamins, the things I need, going grocery shopping. So, is my family really happy about this challenge or new lifestyle? Not really. I will explain kind of what made me think of doing this video, what gave me the idea to think about transitioning to a different lifestyle. I've always been very curious about the vegan lifestyle. I've tried to be vegan. It has lasted for 2 hours because I was just doing it for purposes of, oh, I want to be skinny, I want to lose weight. I wouldn't even call it trying to be vegan. It was literally just like not eating for 2 hours. But I started watching Ashley wicka, I think it's wicka. So bad, sorry. But I'll link her channel down below. I actually bought her ebook and just watched a ton of her videos for the resources I'm going to be using in this video to choose what to eat. But I was watching a lot of her what I eat in a day, so it really got me curious. And then I watched her vegan story video about how she became vegan at age 14. So I watched a video, it was called like the best speech ever, and it was by like Gary. Basically that video was talking about why you should be vegan and a ton of videos about how dairy products are made and just the whole food industry as a whole, and that really just disgusted me. I know that 6 days is still short, but I never thought that I'd be able to not be eating meat or dairy products for longer than 2 hours. And I think the reason why it is so much more easy to maintain now is because I'm doing it for the right reasons. So mindset is so important. But my plan for today is to go grocery shopping because we literally have nothing in our refrigerator. I got like super hungry at 4 a.m. today, so I made myself rice and beans, and it tastes so bad. I cannot cook to save my life. Like, my beans are super bad. Like, I'll show you guys. It's disgusting. Ignore my messy kitchen, I just came home. Yeah, this is what I was eating. The rice, like, I burnt the beans, and I didn't have enough beans. I'm gonna save the rest of this for dinner. I honestly don't want to eat the rest, but like, I made it, so I might as well eat the rest. What really excites me about this lifestyle change though is that I will become so much better at cooking because my mom is not willing to cook my vegan food, so I will have to be doing the cooking myself. And I think that's gonna be really good training for me because one of my biggest fears is going out into the adulting world and not being able to cook or just know what to buy at the grocery store. My plan was that I was going to bike to the grocery store, but I want to buy watermelon, and there's no way that I can bike back with watermelon, so I might have my mom drive me. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing. It is about 7:30. I'm going to leave for the grocery store soon. The grocery store opens at 8, so we're gonna go as soon as possible when it opens because we literally have no food at home, and I don't want to starve. My mom is currently in Einstein Bagels to go grab us some bagels because they're having a special deal today. So we got 1 dozen of Einstein Bagels for $8, which is a pretty good deal on Einstein's. We made it to Donnellan's Markets. I'm gonna go grab a shopping cart. I've never been more excited in my whole entire life. The workers at Donnellan's are probably gonna be like, who is this freak? But I don't care. Ooh, they have zucchini. I can't tell what's a zucchini and what's not. Mom, what do zucchinis look like?
This is so humiliating!
So we got 2 little bunches of broccoli. I want to get some dark leafy greens because that's always great. I don't know what this is, but I've seen it in a ton of salads and it looks good for you. I am obsessed with bananas, so I got 3 bunches of bananas. I'm gonna be using bananas like every single day for smoothie bowls and just everything. They're so cheap. I'm a very big eater, so this is perfect. I already know that my mom's gonna be buying like potatoes, so we're good on that. So I just found these sliced almonds that I can use as a salad topping, which is great because I want to make really good salads. I don't want to just eat a plate of vegetables. So I got 2 sweet potatoes, and I don't know why, but I find grocery shopping so fun. Like, I'm having the time of my life here. I heard that the more colorful that your plate is, the healthier it is. We're almost set on the produce, just need the strawberries. I love eating bell peppers, they're so sweet. So I'm gonna go find some lentil pasta because dinner is gonna be great. I've seen this in a lot of vegan what I eat in a days. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna cook it, but I'm just gonna get it. Oh, and I forgot to buy avocado. So I would get some like vegan meat options, but I'm honestly not really interested in that. So we got our So Delicious. I don't know what flavor I'm gonna get. 3 of these. We've got the unsweetened almond milk. These rice cakes look about right. Let's get some chia seeds, and I need to get Lara bars. Even before I went vegan, I loved Lara bars. They're so expensive though. This is my favorite flavor. I'm gonna grab 3 of these and then grab some other flavors that I can experiment with. So I heard that peanut butter cookie is really good. I'm just gonna try one. Chocolate chip also sounds good. We really hauled Donna Lynn's. I would say it's a pretty successful trip. Since our whole family needs a B12 supplement, we decided not to buy it today and to buy it at Costco because it's a lot cheaper. As you guys can see, I'm with Mia right now. I'm such a bad vlogger and I didn't show you guys what I got at Chipotle, but I got what I usually get just without any meat. I don't even eat cheese.
So are you vegetarian or vegan?
Vegan.
Oh god. Story time from the mall today. So if you don't know, we went to Chipotle and the mall. So we were in PacSun and she bought this dragon shirt. Really cute. I approve. When we were like roaming the mall and like doing, I don't know, she accidentally left it like in like a charging station.
This is the shirt.
So we left the mall as we were about to get into the car and she goes, oh wait, I left my bag in the mall. So we run back through the mall, out of breath.
Like you're panting, my stomach hurt.
And like,
we ran like 0.3 miles. I don't even know what's wrong. Crack you open.
It's like ASMR.
We should try an ASMR
Today, I hope you get lots of tingles.
Careful, okay, when you use a knife.
We got our watermelon. My mom is cutting up some more. When Mia was over, we watched The Kissing Booth together. Like 20 minutes through the movie, I was already affected by my jet lag and I just fall asleep. And I'm like, sorry Mia, I'm really tired, but wake me up later, okay? And after that, I kind of just like passed out. So Mia left. Her mom picked her up, or my mom sent her home. And now it's like 8 o'clock and I have no idea what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I don't feel like making something. I feel really lazy right now. This is my salad. I have my potatoes as protein. I have a ton of tomatoes, different types of vegetables, and I put my Asian sesame dressing on it. So I'm gonna eat. This is a really big dinner. It is currently 2:16 a.m. Today has been a crazy day where I've just been taking super spontaneous naps and now I'm not that tired and I'm really hungry. So I think I'm gonna eat some fruit. So I'm back again. It's 3 a.m. and I still haven't been able to go to sleep. And I've been watching a lot of vegan what I eat in a days, and a lot of people eat overnight oats. And I never prepared them overnight. I always just would eat them for breakfast, but they wouldn't even taste good. So we're gonna try to make some that taste good. My family never eats oatmeal. That's just not really our thing. So we have this big box of oatmeal. I don't know how old it is. I went through this oatmeal phase, but I was just eating it because I would see like models eat it, but like I didn't actually like it. So hopefully this is gonna taste good tomorrow morning. I'm gonna add some almond milk and some chia seeds. I'm really trying to find ways to add protein to my meals. And I know that chia seeds are protein, so that's like the best I can do right now. What I've noticed from being vegan these past few days is that I feel like I'm experimenting a lot more with what I eat. I'm much more creative because I'm like desperate to get like protein in, and I feel like I've been eating a lot healthier. Like if you saw how many vegetables I had for my dinner, like that was amazing. I made such a big salad for dinner that I actually wasn't able to finish it and it filled me up pretty well. I think I'm gonna have it for tomorrow's lunch, have a lot of leftovers. This is gonna sound gross, but it's so true. Before like going vegan, I had less than 1 serving of vegetables every single day. I never ate vegetables. Like vegetables was just a foreign concept to me. And I'm being completely honest about that. Literally didn't eat any vegetables and I'm not proud of it, but I never really felt the need to. Now that we are before testing out this vegan lifestyle, I need to eat vegetables. My friend Katie is actually dairy-free because she is allergic to dairy, and she eats this yogurt, and it's been really helping me with like vegan snacks because I've seen what my friend Katie eats. Like, I've been friends with her since first grade. I know what she eats. I don't think I'm gonna be cooking anymore tonight, which is a good thing because I don't know what I'm doing. It's freaking 3 a.m. Hey guys, it's currently 6 a.m., which is a decent time to be awake. I did not sleep at all since the last time I talked to you guys. I'm going through the same jet lag struggle, and I'm just not gonna let myself nap at all today, and then I should be cured of jet lag. I just filmed my Cupshe bikini haul. Super excited about that. That's gonna be up before you see this. I'm gonna take you guys to my kitchen and we're gonna have my oatmeal. I'm scared that my oats aren't gonna be good. If they aren't, I'm gonna attempt a smoothie bowl. Yesterday my smoothie bowl was so bad. It was just like liquid. So we're gonna work on that today. These are what my oats look like. They were only in the refrigerator for like 3 hours, and they're like overnight oats, so I don't know if they were in for long enough. So I said this in the beginning of this video that I actually had been vegan for almost a week in China. I know that I kind of transitioned as cold turkey, but I was actually able to handle that transition pretty well, and I just realized that I feel like a smaller person. I didn't weigh myself when I was in China when I was eating meat. I got weighed a few months ago for school because they just need to like track your health, and that was about like 4 months ago or maybe even 5. And when they weighed me, I weighed 135 pounds. I know that that sounds like a lot, or maybe that doesn't sound like a lot to you guys, but then I weighed myself yesterday morning, and I was 134 pounds 4 months later, and I've been kind of getting a tiny bit taller. I'm really curious to see how much I'll weigh by the end of this week. I'm not really a person that watches the numbers though. I'm not really doing this to lose weight. I want to help the animals. I will link down below the documentary or the little speech that I watched that like really changed everything. All my time in this little vegan journey, I have never felt guilty about something that I've ate. Mia and I are hanging out again today. We're gonna go like paddleboarding, and we're gonna go to a pond together. All of our other friends are like in camps, so we're doing that. My brother is just doing stuff online. For lunch, I'm gonna have that dinner that I had last night and was never able to finish. Since I'm cooking for myself, I just have a lot of food and a lot of leftovers, which is actually really handy because I don't really need to prepare meals. I got my leafy greens. If any of you guys are wondering, I use Asian sesame dressing for this, and that dressing makes any type of vegetable taste good, so I highly recommend. I could either pack one of these Lara bars for when I hang out with Mia, or grab a banana. I think I'm gonna go with the banana. Whenever I hang out with friends, at least like throughout this vegan lifestyle, I like to pack a snack because it would be really awkward if we went somewhere and there wasn't any options for me and I just couldn't eat. I actually got sleep. It's currently 5 a.m. I'm having a pre-breakfast because it's like way too early to actually have breakfast. This is like my leftover yogurt and cherry tomatoes. Yesterday when I went paddleboarding with Mia, I brought 2 snacks. I brought a banana and my Lara bar, as you guys saw, but I never ate them since we ate Italian ice, so I'm going to eat them now. My mom bought one of these banana savers, so I have no clue where my Lara bar went, so I'm just gonna grab one from a drawer. But they're expensive. I'm sad I don't know where it is. I don't know how this happened, but my Lara bar ended up back in the drawer and I didn't even put it back in there. This is a taste test. This is really good. So I told myself that it was way too early for breakfast, but I'm hungry and I need to listen to my body. We're gonna make some pancakes with oats, banana, and almond milk. So in the recipe, they actually put the mix in a blender. So that is what I'm going to do. I cannot cook to save my life, so my mom's helping me out. I have finished the pancake. I have more than I'm going to eat soon. The pancakes are so good. I suggest them to everyone. They taste like banana bread. My mom made me some vegetables, so I'm having this bowl of vegetables just as a snack, and I'm going to Panera later. I'm not vegan anymore. I've been vegan for almost 2 weeks, and I had a vegan breakfast I'm going to explain why I'm not vegan anymore. It's going to be a little hard to explain. I really hope no vegans come for me. But the reason why I'm not vegan anymore is that it was just really getting in the way with my relationship with my parents and my family. I do care about the animals in our environment, but I care more about having a relationship with my parents and my siblings than having a good relationship with animals. And I know that not everyone's going to agree with that, but that's just me. It was just causing a lot of commotion and fighting. That was just too much of a weight on me. My whole diet changed really drastically, and I loved being vegan. I felt really great, and I never felt guilty about what I was eating, and I think I actually learned how to cook, and I branched out with stuff, and you guys saw in the video how much I enjoyed it, but it's really not worth what has been going on that I haven't really been sharing on camera. My dad has been really worried about me, and he worries a lot. I don't want to cause any more worry on him. I don't want one of my parents to be at work and be worrying about if I'm getting enough nutrients or if I'm gonna die or if I can even breastfeed if I have kids. And although I've done a lot of research, I just don't even want to go through this daily battle at home. So I am going to be eating a lot of plant-based things, but if my parents or if someone wants me to eat dairy or meat, I will eat it because that's just more important to me, and I'm still a child, so I have to follow what my parents say. I know it can be hard when our parents don't necessarily go along with what we say, but I need to respect their opinion. So maybe I'll be a vegan in the future, I don't know. I'm sorry to end the video like this. I think I'm still gonna post it because I thought it was a really interesting video, and you guys kind of saw like what it's like transitioning, and maybe this will give you guys a different perspective on veganism. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.